There's a trusty old shooting range right here. Debris-filled fields. This is what we're gonna shoot at. Trusty old slipper, radiator, antifreeze, bowling pin. Two more bowling pins right there. Bowling pin, headlight. Fragmented pieces of shit. What the fuck are you building here, fool?
I don't know, fool. It doesn't have to be pretty. Damn. So what's this?
Almost like the view.
Thousands upon thousands upon thousands.
You ever any supply of shot ammo?
Nice. Piece of marble.
What?
Piece of marble.
Shit. If your gun can break this, it can kill a human.
I like those odds.
Alright. Let's shoot. You go first. Eric, shoot with that one. Fool. What are you gonna shoot at? Eric shooting the 380. What? The headlight thing? Step more over here then. Next to fucking fields full of debris, food. He's shooting at that. I think that's it. Have at it. Gabriel shooting the 380. What are you gonna shoot at?
I don't know, whatever I built over there.
Are you hitting it or not? Is shit going right there? Part 2 to be continued. Here, film me shooting this. I want to see if my 45 will break that.
Alright. It's ready. It's already filmed?
Yeah. You can zoom in on it, look. With zoom, it has the plus and minus right there.
Okay, go.
Ready?
Yeah. There you go.
See,
Now what?
let me see if I can shoot that fucking thing right here. Where's that fucking piece of marble?
That unholy ass piece of shit?
Yeah.
It's over there.
Oh, yeah. No, this wasn't it. But it'll do. It broke it.
Yeah, I killed it. Stupid.
Film me doing my apparatus. Where's the other ones? Okay. Here, film me your turn. Hold on. Shit. Oh yeah,
I'm gonna try to hit the van.
Yep, I got
Yep,
it.
you got it.
Tired though. I think that shit went through. Alright, that's it. Oh no, wait. Yeah.
See. Eric, your turn, fool. Well, my gun can kill Marvel. It can definitely